Introducing the Secure Choice Roofing System. This family of residential roofing products begins at the roof deck with a quality underlayment to protect the structure. Malarkey offers 3 different underlayments for steep slope roofing applications. Arctic Seal Ice and Water Guard protects against leaks under shingles and can be used as a flashing around roof features like skylights. Start UDL is a water-resistant underlayment made with fiberglass and polymer-modified asphalt. The Secure Start Plus synthetic underlayment is a durable, non-skid, watertight barrier. Next, the Smart Start starter shingles begin at the roof edge and are designed to increase protection against moisture intrusion and blow-off. This starter is used with all Malarkey Laminated Architectural shingle lines. Each shingle line includes unique performance characteristics such as polymer-modified asphalt and security against algae staining. Our Easy Ridge and Ridge Flex products protect roof peaks and also feature 3M Scotchgard Protector roofing granules. Together, these components assure homeowners that their roofing system choice is a secure choice. For low-slope roofs, Malarkey's self-adhered OmniSeal system uses a nail-based sheet, then a membrane ply sheet, and finally, a cap sheet to complete the roof. The cap sheet is available in colors to complement Malarkey shingles for a unified matching roof system. For more details, visit malarkeyroofing.com.